Hi students, I wanted to provide you some explanation about your final project. There are two parts to the project. One will be in the form of a presentation and the other will be an actual paper. For the presentation, you are going to find a movie or TV show and pick a character from that show or movie that you feel will benefit from counseling. Once you do that, you are going to give background about the character, who they are, where they're from, explain that character in depth. And let's say you don't have all that information. Maybe the show you are thinking of, all that information wasn't provided. You still need to provide that and come up with some examples of their background. Next, you're going to discuss what could have caused these issues, so possible causes, as well as underlying themes. And the underlying theme would be abandonment or loss or seeking attention. So overall themes for that client. And then in your presentation, you're going to choose one of the theories we've discussed this semester and explain why that theory would be a good one to use with this client. Then move on to discussing specific techniques from that theory that would be helpful. And then you're going to end your presentation with possible obstacles to treatment. So what could get in the way of successfully treating this client? And that needs to be uploaded as a presentation. There's a couple ways that you can do that. You could do a video with the presentation in the background, so similar to what you would be doing in a real live class setting, or you could do a PowerPoint with audio and video of the PowerPoint. The key point is you need to include links or clips from those movies and TV shows explaining your points. So that's the presentation. Then the paper that you're going to submit is a written form of the presentation, but in addition to that, you're going to add two more theories. So you have the one theory from your presentation and you're going to add two more. So let's say if I was to choose Cookie Lyons from Empire. Maybe the first theory I want to use with her is psychodynamic to explain, her upbringing. Then for my paper, I'm going to add to that cognitive behavioral and then maybe some narrative therapy. Okay, so your presentation just includes your character in one theory, and your paper includes your character in three theories. In addition, your paper is going to also include your own personal theory of counseling. Okay, the biggest resource for you is to go to the case folder I completed and submitted for you guys, because it has in there a sample presentation as well as the rubric I'm going to use to grade your projects. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. We're almost to the end. Take care.